One thing I forgot to do is these new participants, when we create a new participant, this is a person account. So how does the system know it is a person account without us specifying the record type? So we need to actually get the record type, the person account record type. And I'm gonna add this record type here, get this record type here. But one thing you could do is to, instead of performing a get account record type here and then get the person account record type here, you could early on in the flow perform only one get instead of two. Not that it's gonna make much difference because we are starting a new transaction after every screen, but just, you know, to reduce the number of elements, you could perform, but rather you might actually be increasing the number of elements. Or you could use a subflow where you get both business account and person account in one get, where you get both record types, and then you loop through them and you assign each ID to a variable, and then those two variables are just available for us throughout the flow. Let's just get this person account here. Let's get person account record type. Let's select record type, and let's say sObject equals person account, and then let's set the developer name to be equal to person account. Even if you know the name, it is better that we actually go and copy and paste. Object manager, person account, and then record types, and the record type developer name is person account. Person account. All we need is just the ID, and then when we assign these participants, then the record type ID must be equal to that one from get record type. Record type from get business account, get person account ID.